Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple strudel. First, gather your ingredients, including about 2 pounds of crisp apples like Granny Smith and 1/2 cup of sugar. You'll also need flour, water, and butter for the delicate dough. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your homemade strudel is perfectly flaky and delicious. Get ready to bake a wonderful dessert. Now let's prepare the dough. Knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and pliable, then let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough rests, thinly slice your apples. Combine them with 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg for that classic flavor. This filling will be the heart of our delicious strudel. Next, carefully stretch the dough on a floured cloth until it's almost transparent, roughly 20 by 30 inches. This thinness is key to a flaky strudel. Brush the entire surface with 1/4 cup of melted butter, then sprinkle 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs over it. Now, spread the apple filling evenly, leaving a 2-inch border along the edges. Gently roll the strudel using the cloth, creating a tight log, then carefully transfer it to a baking sheet. Bake your strudel at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown. Let it cool for about 15 minutes before slicing. Serve warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.